Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how you can play Roblox with two accounts at the same time over on a same PC or laptop, right? So yeah, I have found a trick and I will show you how to do it and it's perfectly fine. So here I'm just going to play the first game here, right? This is a vehicle legend and if you want you can play. So if I just click on play, I will just minimize and for example, let's say that I want to put it in the right side, right? On the left side, it's very easy. You have to just go to the Microsoft, right? It's Microsoft Store and you have to just open the second one, right? So here, and by the way, I'm not sure that whether you can do it over the iOS or not, but in the Microsoft, it's work perfectly fine in the Windows. So if I just click on Roblox, I've got this game here and I will just click on get, right? So it's very easy. One game we are going to play directly from here, which is from the installer, and another one we will play from the Microsoft Store. So once it get download, you can just log in with your different ID, and of course you need to have a two ID to play on a two different accounts, right? So I've logged in with a one ID in this account, and you can just log in into this Microsoft one with another account, and after that you will able to play two Roblox game on the same device with two different IDs, right? I hope you found this video very useful. If you did, make sure to like this video, subscribe channel, and see you guys in the next video.